At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a credit repair business can be a rewarding venture, but it's important to navigate the industry ethically and effectively. Here are 10 tips to help you establish and grow a successful credit repair business. 1. Understand credit laws. Familiarize yourself with the relevant credit laws, such as the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, the Credit Repair Organizations Act, CROA, and other consumer protection laws. This knowledge is crucial for ensuring compliance and building trust with clients. 2. Educate yourself. Stay informed about credit reporting, scoring models, and the factors that impact credit. Continuous education will help you provide valuable insights and advice to your clients. 3. Legal compliance. Adhere strictly to all legal requirements and ethical standards. Misleading or unethical practices can result in legal consequences and damage your reputation. 4. Create a business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. A well-thought-out plan will guide your business decisions and attract potential investors if needed. 5. Build professional relationships. Establish relationships with creditors, lenders, and other professionals in the financial industry. This network can help you negotiate with creditors and gain insights into the credit reporting process. 6. Transparent pricing. Clearly outline your pricing structure and services. Transparency is key to gaining the trust of your clients. Avoid making unrealistic promises about improving credit scores quickly or removing accurate negative information. 7. Marketing strategies. Develop effective marketing strategies to reach your target audience. This may include online marketing, social media, partnerships with local businesses, and word-of-mouth referrals. 8. Client education. Educate your clients about credit management and responsible financial habits. Empowering them to understand and improve their credit on their own will contribute to long-term success and positive testimonials. 9. Technology and automation. Invest in technology and tools that can streamline your processes and enhance efficiency. This may include customer relationship management, CRM, software, secure document management systems, and other automation tools. 10. Professionalism and customer service. Maintain a high level of professionalism in all interactions with clients and other professionals. Exceptional customer service and communication skills will help build a positive reputation and encourage client referrals. Remember that the credit repair industry is highly regulated, and success depends on a combination of ethical practices, industry knowledge, and effective client communication. Always prioritize the best interests of your clients and stay committed to helping them achieve their credit goals responsibly. That concludes the video. Now it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content.